Today I'm going to read you a story, Pigs Make Me Sneeze. And the author of this story is Mo Willems. This story is about two friends, a piggy and an elephant. So when you see gray bubble, it means elephant is talking. And when you see pink bubble, it means piggy is talking. Pigs make me sneeze.
Gerald, what do you want to do today?
I want
Yes, Gerald? What? A ball? A swim? A hat?
achoo!
Are you okay?
I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop. Achoo! Sneezing. I cannot stop sneezing. Oh no! What if? What if? What if? What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo!
What if you try to sneeze more softly, Gerald?
Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you, my friend. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever.
But Gerald,
No, do not speak, my friend, do not speak. It's too late. I, Goodbye, my friend.
but Gerald, huh? Are you okay, Gerald?
No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too.
I do not think pigs make you sneeze, and I do not think cats make you sneeze, Gerald. I think you have a cold.
A cold?
Yes, you are sick, Gerald.
Oh, I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. I am sick. Piggy, Piggy. Great news, Piggy.